wait for your turn to shine. Nobody checking for me, I had to earn the mind. Said I couldn't win cause I'm odd and I'm not following trends. So it's odd how I came out on top in the end. Cause you finna die if you sit and wait for your turn to shine. Nobody checking for me, I had to earn the mind. Said I couldn't.
What's going on YouTube? It's your girl Lady J. Gang. I'm back once again, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But you guys, so listen, my dad is here. We're getting ready to go up for my sister's birthday, but the thing is, he's asleep. So I'm gonna wake him up, and I'm gonna pour this cup of water, not a lot, cause I don't want to get the furniture wet. Cup of water on my dad, and see if he wake up. So let's go.
What are new cars and stuff you had? Where are they?
What is the car today?
Wait, let me turn the light on.
Where your cars and stuff? Where are they?
Shh.
The car.
Yeah. Come on, trying to tell me she's fine. She's talking to you. These round pop eggs. Who you got to say? Is that where your feet go? Hey. Oh.
Alright, you guys, so listen, we getting it started. I hope you guys like this quick video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.